Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going to talk about how I made 2 successful trades yesterday. I really wanted to do this video yesterday, but I got busy and couldn't get to it. So on Friday I'm doing a video about Thursday's trades. But regardless, 2 altcoin alert trades, one regarding the significant development and another one regarding an AA score. So let's go to the significant development in the AA Slack group. So this is what I saw yesterday morning around 8 o'clock. CoinMarketCap strategically partners with Band Protocol to provide and commercialize, I don't recall the rest. I didn't really look at the article. CoinMarketCap is a really well-known website among crypto traders, so I knew what that was. And Band Protocol is a coin I was familiar with. I traded before, even fairly recently. So I knew this was the kind of significant development partnership that could move this coin. So I got in right away. Let's go ahead and look at the Band chart. Okay, so here we are on the Band day chart. And what I want to point out is that this is in a nice sort of cup pattern here where prior highs were in the 16s and 17s. The coin yesterday morning was trading around 14, 15, around there. So I knew it had a little bit room to move to its former high back from over the summer in August and September, but not a whole lot of room. So I may have to employ my Fibonacci extender tool. So let's check that out on the 1-hour chart. Okay, so here we are on the Band chart, and I decided to go with the 15-minute chart. I actually use the 1-hour chart when I do Fibonacci extensions, but it'll look clearer to you folks watching if I use the 15-minute chart. So I'm going to start, either one of these coins would suffice. In TradingView, I've got my Fibonacci tools over here. The trend-based fib extension, it's not as technical as it sounds. All you have to do is click it, click the low part of the range you want to evaluate, click once, drag up here. This was 8 in the morning when I was looking at this. The highest level or the highest value looks like it was here at 745. So I click that and I drag down here and it gives me the range that I'm looking for. And then I click one final time so that these line up, these 2 circles here. So it gives me okay, so I set my target below the 17.118 to 16.95. And I'm not in this coin very long at all. I buy it at 15.72 at 807. And I'm out, just like I said, at 16.95. At 834, I've got a 7.723% profit in 27 minutes. So over 7% in that short a time is a perfect day trade in my mind. Coin did pump up beyond that, dropped, and went on to go up to an all-time high. I don't care. So I'm looking for my 5 to 10% on a SigDev partnership. That's my goal for those, and I accomplished that. So I feel good about that. So that takes care of the Band trade. Let's look at the other trade, the AA score, and that's on YFII. So let's go to the Altcoin Alert webpage. Okay, so here we are on the screenshot. And as you can see, I've highlighted DFI money, YFII, has a bullish score of 65.3. It's the number 3 entry in the AA score. I do look at the AA scores when I first open up Altcoin Alert. I just don't look at them very long because I've had more success with this one, this sort, 1-hour projected range, and this one here in trading activity. But YFII caught my eye, and it was the 3rd one listed anyway, so I like what I see here. I've got the bullish AA score. I've got fire under trading activity, fire under social activity. In this upper range, I like this 5% or higher. This is at 7.97%. So I'll make that bigger. Yeah, right here, 7.97%. So that looks good to me. So I go ahead and buy this coin, and Actually, I look at the chart first. Let's do that. Let's go to the YFII chart. Okay, here we are on the YFII day chart. And the reason I want to look at this is to show, this is the first thing I look at now as a result of this bull market that we're in. Does a coin have room to move? Does it have a trading history where I want it to go? And YFII does, which is why I was interested in this coin. When it was listed, it shot up here like many coins do. It dropped, shot up again, dropped. Came up here back in November. It's working its way back up. It had passed the November high, but still had not reached where it was in September, and definitely not where it was earlier in September. And when it was way up here, beyond $6,000. So anyway, we're going to go over now to the 5-minute chart. And this is what I'm looking at yesterday morning. It was later in the 8 o'clock hour, and I've got the candles are hanging around the SMA line, this pink line here. I like them to be either below and trending up towards, like they're going to punch through, or above, looking like they're going to punch through the Bollinger Band. They were just kind of hanging around, but I got a couple green candles trending up, so I thought it was a good entry point. So I get in at 8:47 a.m. for $2,097. Sorry, $2,297. And then I kind of get a ride on this coin, goes down. Make this bigger. It comes up. I actually check on this around noon. I'm thinking of getting out here. That would have been okay, because at that point I've got like a 3-4% profit. It's pretty good in that short of time, but I let it ride. It almost cost me because it dropped down again, even below where I bought it. But then makes a nice move here in the late afternoon. Then I ended up getting out at $3,135. It's at 5:53 p.m. for exactly 7%. So I've got 2 altcoin alert trades, 7% each. I'm pleased with that. The AA score was helpful in this regard, and obviously the SigDev was too. I'm going to be focusing even more on altcoin alert. I know some of the people who watch my channel have come from other sources for information, iCoin Pro, Crypto Trade Masters, some others like that. But what's happening in Altcoin Alert is some people are joining with little to no day trading experience. So I'm trying to help them along in some of the ways they can apply that knowledge to what's going on in the market today. So I hope my SigDev training and AA training today would be helpful in that regard. That's all I have for late on a Friday afternoon. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below as they help support this channel. I'll talk to you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.